Hello and welcome back to our session for Standard 8 Mathematics of NCERT book for Standard 8. We were discussing of 6.3 exercise or question number 3 we have completed in the previous lecture. Now here we are going to discuss about finding the square root by prime factorization method. Few sums we will do it and the remaining will be done by you as a homework. So I will give you a brief idea for one or two or maybe three sums. The remaining you have to do as a homework. Practice must be done. I give you an idea for the 3-4 sums. Suppose the first sum given to you, that is the number is 729. Clear? So 729 is the number. Here we need to find the prime factors of it. So we know that last digit is not even number. So we cannot start by 2. We can start by 3. For starting 3, 9 plus 2 plus 7, it will be 18. 18 is possible by 3. So we have to do it by 3. We will get 243. If I divide 243 by 3, I will get 81. And again divided by 3, I will get 27. Again I divided by 3, 3 nines are. Again 3 threes are and 3 ones are. So all I found here the pair of two numbers for 3. Clear? So in short, I am getting 729 in root form 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. So I remove the root sign. So I am going to get root 729 is equal to 3 square into 3 is equal to 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So root 729 will be, square root will be 27. दूसरा यू कैन चेक कि अगर स्क्वायर का 9 है तो लास्ट डिजिट स्क्वायर रूट का क्या हो सकता है 3 और 7. तो यहाँ पर 7 है. यू कैन क्रॉस टैली इट. Clear friends? You can go for the second number. The second number is 400. So it will be easy for you to find the squares or the prime factors. So 2 से possible by 200, again possible by 2, 200s are. So again possible by 2, 52s are 100, again possible by 2, it will be 25. And now it's not possible, so 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So I can make pairs of two numbers. Here that is 400 root is equal to root 2 square into 5 square. So root get removed and you will get 2 into 2 into 5, that is 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20. So root 400, square root of 400 is 20. Clear? Same way you can go for the next number, number 3. I'm just trying and giving it to you as an example. So 1764. I can start by 2. So if I divide it by 2, I will get 882. Again it is possible by 2. I will start it will be 441. Now it is not possible. So I will try it with 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 it is possible by 3. So 3, 147s are, it will be 441. Again it is possible by 3. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, that will be 12. 12 is possible by 3, so it will be 49. Now 7 7s are and 7 1s are. Clear? So pair is easily made. So 1764, so square root will be 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. If root get cancelled, so 2 into 3 into 7, 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So square root of 1764 is 42. Clear? So 3 samples answers I have given to you and the remaining from question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This will be your homework. You have to do it by your own for practicing. Hope so this much clear to you. Now we will do it our exercise 6.3 question number 5. Hello friends. Now question number 5. As we have discussed question number 4, similarly question number 5. Find each of the following numbers. For each of the given following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied. क्या करना है? It should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square. It means that they have given us some number and that number may be not perfect square. So what should be multiplied to make that given number perfect square number? Okay, and after making that number perfect square and multiplying the remaining whatever is required, we will get that perfect square number and we have to find the square root of that new number. So first of all we will see that the given number is 252. So how we will get an idea that first of all we need to find what should be multiplied. So we will first find out the prime factors of it. First step, find the prime factors of the given number. So we will start here by 2 to 126. Again possible by 2, 263 now not possible by 2 but it will be possible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now again possible by 3, 3 7s are and 7 1s are. Here I see I can make pairs of 2 and 3 but not of 7. I am requiring 1. So here what I will find, here 252 is equal to 2 into square, 3 square and 7 is 1. So what should I multiply to make it perfect square number? I should multiply it again with 1 power of 7. I need multiplication of 7. Therefore 252 should be multiplied by 7 to make it a perfect square number. So let us multiply 252 multiplied by 7. Then I am what getting a number. If I multiply 252 by 7, I am getting 1764. This is new perfect square number. Clear? Now this is perfect square number and they are asking us that also find the square root of this new number. So therefore square root of 1764. तो सर हम इसके भी प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालें? नहीं यार, निकालने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. ऑलरेडी यहाँ तक निकाल दे, उसको मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7. सो 2 स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर और 7 में 1 डाला था ना, 7 में 1 कमी था, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 तो ये मिला. सो इट विल बिकम 7 स्क्वायर. क्लियर? सो 2 into 3 into 7, root get cancelled. So 42. So the square root of the new number 1764 is already with us, that is 42. Hope so clear to you all. You can do it by second number, third, 4, 5, 6 as a homework part. Repeat it, you can see in the YouTube channel also. Okay, so homework part I am writing over here. Second, third, 4, 5, 6. You have to do it because until you do more and more practice, कितना भी मैं कर लूँ आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. Please do it. Okay, God bless you all. We will see for division also what should be divided to make a perfect square in the next video.